Friends, the third part of the third question, this is the quadratic equation. So, is it not in the standard form? Yes, it is. So, let us compare the equation. Let us write the statement each and every time so that it becomes a habit. We get A as 4, B minus 5, C minus 3. What is the formula? B square minus 4AC. By the way, did you check if this can be done by factorization? This cannot be done by factorization. Do check it later. You cannot factorize it completely. So we have to use the formula method. So let us substitute. Get 25 minus, this is the root value, upon 8. So we get, so what is this? You'll get a plus sign. 12 fours are 48 divided by 8. Oh, like the previous sum, we have got 73 root here divided by 8. So we already found out the square root of 73 in the previous sum. That was 8.544 divided by 8. So x has two values. Let's write them down. 5 minus 8.554 divided by 8. So what are the two values? 13.544 and this is nothing but minus 3.544 divided by 8. So divided by 8, we'll get 1.693 or minus 0.444. Okay, but we have to find it correct to two decimal places. So the value will be 1.69. The 3 will be gone. And here it will be 4 only, because 4 is, this 4 in the third decimal place is anyway less than 5. So this 4 will remain 4. So the final answer will be x is 1.69 and x is equal to minus 0.44. Friends, the third question, fourth part, again this quadratic equation, we have to find it correct to two decimal places. So this is already in the standard form. We cannot do factorization method here. So compare equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What are the values of a, b and c? Let's write it down. Now let's apply the formula. Upon 2a. So this is 3 plus or minus b square is nothing but 9 minus 4 into minus 9 upon 2. So you will get 3 plus or minus 9 plus 36, that is 45 divided by 2. So now root of 45, now here since we have to find correct to two decimal places, we have to use the square root table and find the square root of 45. So let us do that. So square root of 45 is over here, 6.708. So 6.708 upon 2. So the values of x are 3 plus 6.708 upon 2. 3 minus. Yes, so these are the two values. So you'll get 9.708 upon 2, or x is where you'll get minus 3.708 upon 2. So on further simplification, we'll get x is 4.854 or x is minus 1.854. Now we have to get correct to two decimal places. So what will be the answer, friends? It will be 4.85 only, because this 4 is less than 5. So it will be unchanged here. Minus, again 85 will remain unchanged because this 4 is less than 5. So this is the final answer. Friends, the third, fifth question is also the same type. Quadratic equation already in the standard form. We cannot do factorization method. So comparing above equation with ax square plus bx plus c What are the values of A, B and C? Let's write them down. And let's write the formula. This is the formula. So let's substitute. Okay, 25, 1 into minus 10 divided by 2. So x is 5 plus or minus, this is 25 plus 40, is it not? Divided by 2. So we'll get 5 plus or minus, this will be root of 65 upon 2. Again, we have to find correct to 2 decimal places, so we have to find the square root of 65. So let us do that. So square root of 65 is over here, 8.062. So that is the value we need. 5 plus or minus 8.062 divided by 2. So x is equal to 5 plus 8.062. These are the two values which are possible. So this is the two possibilities. Now, what will be the answer after division? It will be 6.531 or x is minus 1.531. Now, let's get it correct to how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So, 6.53 only. The 1 will go off. It will not be rounded off. And here it will be minus 1.53 similarly. So, these are the two possible answers correct to 2 decimal places.